Baking soda is so common, you can find it in every supermarket at really low prices. While it's mostly known for its use in the kitchen, from baking cakes to cleaning utensils, a recent study in England has highlighted surprising health benefits, especially for those with kidney problems. Surprisingly, only about 2% of people know the real impact this product can have on our bodies. Often seen as just a household helper, baking soda actually has many more powerful benefits for your body's well-being. Imagine it directly impacting how your body works in ways you haven't even discovered yet, improving your inner health, from boosting your energy to soothing digestive problems. Its effects are remarkable. Many people overlook a key aspect of staying healthy, only regretting it when symptoms of this neglect appear. If you constantly feel tired, lacking energy, or if you suffer from persistent digestive issues, baking soda could be the key to restoring your body's balance. And before we continue, let us know in the comments. Do you use baking soda in your daily life? Remember, our body has a sophisticated system in charge of keeping our blood pH within a narrow range, between 7.35 and 7.45, which is essential for the body to function properly. Even a small imbalance can trigger problems like fatigue, inflammation, and metabolic issues. Things get even more complicated after age 50, when the body gradually loses its ability to produce bicarbonate, thus increasing internal acidity and leading to conditions such as joint pain, digestive problems, and low energy. To understand this process, think of your body like a car engine. A new engine runs smoothly, but over time, a buildup of acidic residue can affect its performance. In the same way, as we age, our bodies accumulate acids and struggle to get rid of them, especially because our kidneys, which regulate pH and remove acids, tend to work less efficiently. Even if you get enough sleep, you might not be able to eliminate this waste, and this can have negative consequences for your health. So, baking soda isn't just a household product, but a valuable ally in fighting excess acidity in the body, helping to restore pH balance and promote overall well-being, especially as we age. Baking soda can increase the bicarbonate levels in your blood by up to 30% in just 90 minutes, helping to neutralize excess acid and promoting detoxification, just like changing the oil in a worn-out engine. With a really small investment, less than the cost of a cup of coffee a month, you can improve your internal health simply and effectively. But that's just the beginning. The key is knowing how to use it correctly to get all the benefits without any unwanted side effects. If you're looking to improve your health, using baking soda the right way could revolutionize your personal care routine. Don't miss what's coming next. You might discover valuable details that could transform your approach to health. Among this substance's lesser-known secrets is its ability to boost endurance and act as a natural energy booster. Have you ever noticed your muscles getting tired too quickly, like during a brisk walk or climbing stairs? You're not alone. As we age, especially after 50, our muscles lose some of their endurance, partly due to the buildup of lactic acid, a byproduct of exercise. The hydrogen ions that accumulate cause a burning sensation and fatigue, quickly draining your energy. This explains why many older folks have a hard time staying as strong and fit as they used to be. But there's a simple and affordable solution that's often overlooked: baking soda. Besides being a common kitchen staple, it can naturally boost your physical performance. A study published in the European Journal of Physiology showed how baking soda can really act as an endurance booster by fighting muscle fatigue and improving performance during physical activity. Athletes who took it before training saw their endurance increase by up to 2%. While the difference may seem small, it can turn a tiring workout into one full of energy. To get these benefits, just dissolve half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it 30 to 60 minutes before your workout. During exercise, baking soda helps reduce muscle fatigue and allows your body to keep going longer, giving you more energy. Meanwhile, lots of popular detox methods, like cleansing juices and expensive treatments, often don't do what they say they will. These juices can even raise your blood sugar, while some fancy products are really just laxatives, not able to get rid of toxins like you'd expect. Real detoxification happens inside your cells. If your body can't do it on its own, nothing from the outside can replace that natural process. The liver and kidneys play the main role in filtering and removing toxins, but as we age, their efficiency decreases, promoting the buildup of harmful substances like heavy metals, uric acid, and other metabolic waste. This buildup can show up as symptoms ranging from inflammation to a constant feeling of tiredness. Baking soda helps your kidneys by making their job easier. It neutralizes acids and helps get rid of toxins. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology showed that taking baking soda can slow down kidney decline by up to 67%, which is really amazing. Also, there's another easy way to help your body detox: soaking your feet. Soaking your feet in a warm baking soda solution and apple cider vinegar for about 20 minutes helps remove toxins through your skin, the largest detoxifying organ in our body. This can give you a feeling of deep relaxation and even improve your sleep. But that's not all. Baking soda also turns out to be a valuable ally in weight control and in balancing blood sugar levels. Often underestimated, it acts as a powerful metabolism booster. After 50, a slower metabolism is the real hurdle, encouraging belly fat gain, a common problem in this age group. By speeding up your metabolism, baking soda can effectively fight this. One of the biggest hurdles to losing fat as we get older is insulin resistance. When there's too much acid, insulin can't work properly, making it hard to burn fat for energy. This creates a vicious cycle of always being tired and constantly craving snacks, which leads to weight gain. A study by Harvard Medical School found that people who take baking soda can boost their metabolism by up to 12%, encouraging their body to burn more fat, even when resting. Also, the sodium in baking soda helps to regulate appetite, lowering levels of the hunger hormone and making it easier to manage calorie intake, all without resorting to extreme diets. To take advantage of these properties, a simple tip is to start your day with a metabolic drink. Just mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a little lemon juice and warm water. This combination not only alkalizes the body and stimulates digestion, but also helps to naturally reduce hunger. It acts like a real natural anti-aging shield. If you're over 50, you've probably already noticed some joint stiffness, knee pain, or difficulty moving. Such discomforts, while common, are not solely due to aging, but can be the result of chronic inflammation that hinders mobility and compromises the quality of life, affecting leisure time and time spent with family. Have you ever wondered if these aches and pains are just a natural consequence of age, or if there's a treatable cause behind it? Baking soda can help by reducing inflammation, easing discomfort, and promoting greater freedom of movement, as well as strengthening joints and preserving mobility. Adding bicarbonate of soda to your daily routine, especially after 50, becomes a simple yet super effective habit for improving your overall well-being. Instead of just masking the symptoms, this affordable and powerful ingredient goes right to the root of the problem. A study from the Medical College of Georgia showed how baking soda can reprogram the immune system, leading to a 30 to 40% reduction in joint pain and swelling in just a few weeks, a result that many people seek through much more expensive treatments. The method to enjoy these benefits is just as simple. Warm baths enriched with a cup of baking soda relax the muscles and reduce joint inflammation. Also, taking half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in water after meals helps neutralize excess acids, thus contributing to reducing inflammation naturally. In fact, our body needs a certain level of acidity for proper digestion, and too much baking soda can cause bloating, nutritional imbalances, and even stimulate an overproduction of stomach acid. It is therefore essential not to exceed 1 teaspoon a day, possibly dividing the dose into smaller portions. If you suffer from high blood pressure or kidney problems, consult your doctor, because the high sodium content could cause water retention or an increase in blood pressure in some cases. Baking soda is often considered a natural beauty secret. Many people use it to exfoliate their skin, fight acne, and even reduce ingrown hairs. However, because it's alkaline, using it every day on your face could remove its protective layer, leaving your skin dry, sensitive, and more prone to irritation. So, if you choose to use it as an exfoliant, it's best to do it once or twice a week and always follow up with a good moisturizer and a specific cream to protect your skin, avoiding applying it to your whole face to prevent any unwanted reactions. Let's talk about a common kitchen mistake that happens to a lot of people. Have you ever tried using baking soda and vinegar together for cleaning? If so, you've probably made a classic mistake. That fizzy reaction often makes people think they're creating a super powerful cleaner. Actually, mixing these two ingredients together reduces their effectiveness. Baking soda, being alkaline, and vinegar, acidic by nature, cancel each other out, resulting in just salty water with no cleaning properties. The right way is simple. Sprinkle the baking soda on the surface you want to clean and let it sit for a few minutes, then rub gently. And finally, wipe it down with vinegar. This way, the vinegar disinfects and makes it shine without cancelling out what the baking soda did. If you've ever been in this situation, share your experience in the comments. As you can see, baking soda isn't just a kitchen ingredient, but a true, little-known superpower. Have you used baking soda to improve your health? Tell us about it in the comments. A heartfelt thank you goes to expert Frank Suarez for his enlightening research, which has helped us better understand how to take care of our health naturally. Now, after discovering all these benefits, leave a comment with "Witness the power of baking soda." And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it so more people can get this helpful information.